Thanks to Ledger for sponsoring this video. So maybe it's just my feeds, but I can't go on Twitter, TikTok, or Instagram without hearing something about crypto. Shiba Inu to the moon, Doge to the moon. We've got Bitcoin hitting all-time highs, Ethereum hitting all-time highs. Crypto is just bonkers right now. And chances are you are holding some on an exchange. I certainly know I am. I've gotten into mining recently, I've talked about, and I kind of brought up the question, how do you keep your crypto safe? This is really important because a lot of people are new to crypto and maybe think of it like a bank or holding a stock. If you hold a percentage of Bitcoin, you think of it like holding a share of whatever your favorite company. But a lot of times that crypto is being held on an exchange, whether it's Coinbase, it's Public, even Robinhood, Kraken, there's a bunch of others. And those are great places to buy crypto. But those inherently have some problems and security problems. So first, like any online account, they are subject to potentially being hacked. Maybe you don't have two-factor turned on, which you definitely should. Maybe somebody learns your seed phrase. And oftentimes, especially when it comes to things like Robinhood that don't yet have widely available wallets, you don't even own that crypto. They're just kind of giving you access to that certain amount. And that's where a hardware wallet is something that is really important. And like it says, it's a hardware wallet, something you physically have in your hand that holds your crypto, which is, for the most part, completely unhackable. And also you can, again, you can hold it, you are in control of it, meaning you can control where it's put it in a safe, keep it in a drawer, and it's not out on the open market being held by sort of others, leaving your pretty valuable crypto exposed. This is legitimately the crypto wallet that I've been choosing to use, and that the guy who's making this video behind the camera, Courtney, has chosen to use for almost a year now. It is incredibly reliable, small, and most importantly, really safe. So first, there's a screen, which makes it really nice to be able to see what you have. It has support for well over 1,000 different coins, and they made transferring things to it really easy. So the hardware wallet is there to store all of your assets, but a live app I think is where a lot of the cool stuff is happening, and it's kind of a one-stop shop. So not only can you buy 1,000 different coins with the Ledger live app, you can actually exchange coins with Paraswap or Changelly, and also use the Discover section with Rainbow.me and Zerion to give you access to DeFi and NFTs. The idea here is to make it easy and safe for everyone to physically store crypto assets. At the same time, connect people and opportunities to exchange all of those things inside of one app. So you're getting security and freedom. You can actually go through and buy crypto there as well through different providers like Wire, Coinify, that as soon as you do it, they're going to appear right in your wallet. So you don't have to transfer or pay the transfer fee that generally goes along with it. It's all in one place. That's awesome. I didn't use that too much to buy new crypto. I generally already have my crypto. But when I do want to buy things that I want to just easily store on the wallet, they've made that whole process encapsulated and really simple. And they made it relatively affordable at $120. When you think about all the crypto you have, that is a very, very small price to pay to keep your information safe and secure. There's a USB Type-C port on it, so you can obviously connect to your computer if you need to authenticate or if you want to send things that way, you have the option to do that as well. But it's also bringing something new to the table that initially, when it was launched, was a bit controversial, and that's Bluetooth support. So the idea of Bluetooth is that you don't have to be able to plug it in to send crypto to a friend, to send your crypto off to an exchange, whatever you want to do. Now, obviously you can plug it in. You probably want to do that to charge it. But Bluetooth will give you the option to take it mobile with you. And with their mobile app, you've got full control of your crypto if you just keep it in your pocket. But obviously with Bluetooth, there are inherent concerns. And if we're talking about a hardware wallet to keep your crypto safe from hacking, the first thought most people have is crap, Bluetooth is very easily hackable. Why would I want to do that? So obviously I am not a hacker or anything like that, but I am somebody who's relatively sort of into crypto and takes security very seriously. So with this Bluetooth, what you're not getting is your keys being exposed, what somebody would need to get access to your wallet. So let's say you and I go out to dinner, I use Bluetooth on my Nano X to connect to my app and send you 30 bucks for dinner. Thanks for the drinks. What no one's going to have who might be trying to get access to this is the keys to get access to my wallet. that is never exposed. Essentially, all you're getting is a yes or no coming through Bluetooth that wouldn't matter anyway. And when you send crypto, no matter what you're doing, it's going to a public ledger. So your wallet address is going to be available. Certainly it's anonymized. And then where you're sending it to is available. But your information that can get anybody access to your actual wallet is still kept secure and never transmitted via Bluetooth, which personally I like. Now you may have issues with Bluetooth for another reason. As far as I can tell, and as far as I know, there's never been a successful Bluetooth hack on any of the Nano Ledger X's, which means a lot. There have been hacks on a lot of exchanges. We've certainly seen that over the years where exchanges can go down or passwords can get lost. That's where I've kind of gravitated to something like the Nano X. And it's not perfect. The screen could be bigger. The 2-button navigation can sometimes be a bit confusing. But for what it does and the price and the features and the convenience, it is absolutely the best going out there. And it's kind of a one-stop shop. So if you want to check out the Nano X, and I think you should if you are even remotely interested or already have a toe dipped in the crypto space, we'll link to it down below.